Welcome to Vertigo Systems, a channel dedicated for the latest digital signage solutions. We want to share the latest video wall installation for Paul Bakery at Pavilion Damansara Height, the latest new mall in Klang Valley. Here, we will list out step-by-step how to complete the installation. Step 1. We install the monitor vertically on a custom video wall bracket. Then we add in the HDMI cable to connect each monitors before we proceed to alignment and adjustment of the display. Step 2. Install the HDMI splitter and media player for content playback. The player will connect to a cloud signage where client will manage content via a web browser. Step 3. Log into Cloud Signage Portal. After we install APK in the player and connect it to the internet, an access code will appear on the display. Copy the code and insert it to the CMS to link the player. Step 4. Upload media files into the Cloud CMS. Just drag and drop the media into the specific area and click Upload. You can upload multiple files such as video or images concurrently. Step 5. Add new playlist and add new media into the playlist by clicking the plus sign. You can also reuse the same media if you intend to repeat the media multiple times within a playlist. You can change the sequence by drag and drop. Then name your playlist and finally preview your playlist to check for any mistake. Final step is to publish the content and the cloud will sync it to the player. Wow, such a wonderful view once completed. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for latest video.